Good morning dear students. Welcome back to maths class. In standard 1, chapter 3, numbers from 11 to 20, and we already learned expanded form. This way 11 so equal 10 plus 1, it means we say 10, 1 10 and 1 1. 12 so 10 plus 1 plus 1, it means 1 10 plus 2 ones. This way, this topic we already write in our notebook, both way. Okay. And then after we already learned 21 to 30 number name, expanded form in our notebook. So dear students, today we learn one new thing. It's abacus. Abacus, very easy. No need to write this 10 plus 10 plus 1 to 10s plus 1 this form. Directly we write answer. Just count the beads and then write our answer. Let's see. First I remind you tens and ones. This one, look at here. 2 1. So 2 tens and then second digit 8 ones. Okay. Now see here. 2 tens and 2 ones. 2 tens plus 3 ones. 2 tens plus 4 ones. This way. So in 2-digit number, first one is tens and second one is ones. Okay. Now continue with abacus. See here. First box is tens and second one is ones. Okay. Now 53 number. 53 number. So 5 and 3. 2-digit now. So first one is tens and second one is ones. So 5 is tens. So we draw here 5 beads. Beads means circle. Okay. We draw here 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This way. Now ones road we draw 3 beads. 1, 2 and 3. Now second one, see here 1 1 11. So we part first and this first one is tens and second one is ones. So first one is tens na. So we draw here 1 beads. Draw here 1 beads 1 and in ones road we also draw 1 beads because both numbers same now. 1 1 11, so draw 1 1 beads. 1 tens plus 1 1 this way. Now here tens road and ones road. Number 2 6 26. First we part it. First digit 2. So first one is tens and second digit 6. So 6 is ones hour. So tens road we draw 2 beads. 1 and 2 this way, and in ones road we draw 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 this way. 2 beads in tens road and 6 beads in ones road. 2 6 26. Next one, tens and ones road 4 and 7 47. So first we part it. 4 is our tens and 7 is ones. So in tens road we draw 4 beads. 1, 2, 3 and 4 this way. And in ones rod we draw 7 beads. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So 4 tens plus 7 ones. And next tens rod, ones rod, 6 5. First we part it. Our first digit is tens and second one is ones. So in tens rod we draw 6 beads. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 this way. And in ones rod we draw 5 beads. 1 2 3 4 and 5 this way. So now we do in our textbook chapter number 5, numbers from 51 to 100. See here, write the number name of the number shown on the t-shirt. In t-shirt we read 43 numbers, so we write here first number name 43, FORTYTHREE 43. Okay, now let's continue abacus. So first one is done. 52, write here 52's number name and draw beads here. Okay, see here 5 and 2 we part this tens and ones, so 5 beads on tens rod, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and second digit is ones, 2 beads, 1 and 2. Okay, this way. Now second 53. So first we write here 53's number name and then after this count. Right here A5 FTY 50 THREE 53. And now we count beads 5 3, so 5 tens and 3 ones. First we count 1 2 3 4 and 5 beads and 3 ones, 1 2 and 3 this way. Now next 54. 54 first we write number names A5 FTY 50 FOUR 54 and beads 5 tens, 4 ones, 1 2 3 4 5 tens and 4 ones. So in ones rod 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, now next 55, number name is already given. We draw here beads. See 5 and 5. So 5 beads in tens rod and 5 beads in ones rod. So draw here 5 beads. First count 1 2 3 4 and 5 beads, and in ones rod also 5 beads. 1 2 3 4 and 5 this way. Now next 56. See here we write also number name and beads. First we write number name A5 FTY 50 SIX 56, and now we draw beads, part it. 5 beads in tens road and 6 beads in ones road. So draw here 5 beads in tens road first. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and 6 beads in ones road. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This way. Next 57. Here also we write first number name and then after draw beads here. 57, first write FIFTY 50 SEVEN 57. Now we draw beads. 5 beads in tens road and 7 beads in ones road. First we draw in tens road 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we draw 7 beads in ones road. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This way. Okay dear students, write in your textbook and learn this topic very carefully. If you like this video, press like button and share with your friends. Subscribe this channel. We will meet in next video. Bye everyone.